Good morning, my little ones. Wishing you all a wonderful day. I'm your Prerna ma'am. Children, do you know as you and I have names, similarly, numbers also have their names. Today we will learn about number names 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's start. Number 1 O N E 1 O N E 1 1 net 1 flag 1 cat 1 chair 1 mug. Number 2 T W O 2 T W O 2 2 dogs 2 bats 2 books 2 cups 2 frogs. Number 3 T H R E E 3 T H R E E 3 3 cars 3 flowers 3 pens 3 rabbits 3 stars. Number 4 F O U R 4 F O U R 4 4 caps 4 apples 4 balls 4 birds 4 clocks. Children, you have to write number names 1, 2, 3 and 4 on page number 63 in your classwork book, but I will show you the formation on the paper. First we have to write number name 1. First we will trace it. O N E 1. Now we will write it once again. O N E 1. Next number name is T W O 2. First we have to trace it. T W O 2. Now we have to write it one more time. T W O 2. Next number name is T H R E E 3. First we have to trace it. T H R E E 3. Now we will write it one more time. T H R E E 3. Next number name is F O U R. 4. First we will trace it. F O U R. 4. Now we will write it one more time. F O U R. 4. Children, you have to write like this and complete the page. Hope you enjoyed today's session. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.